Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS listening test. Start by learning the test structure and timing so you avoid surprises on test day. Practice active listening daily with short recordings, focus on keywords, and write answers as you hear them. Build stamina with full practice tests and review mistakes carefully. Treat word limits and spelling as grading factors, and practice under timed conditions to boost accuracy and confidence. Train your ears to catch keywords and paraphrases by practicing with varied recordings and accents. Pause and repeat difficult phrases, then mimic intonation to improve recognition. Use short daily drills focusing on prediction, note-taking, and quick transcription to build speed. Review common distractors and multiple choice traps, and practice transferring answers cleanly to avoid careless mistakes during the actual exam. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more exam help. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is reliable for long study sessions and keeps water handy without spills, which helps you stay focused. I use it between listening drills and it makes breaks smoother. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Create a consistent practice routine that mixes focused drills and full tests each week to build endurance. After each practice, review transcripts to identify recurring mistakes and unfamiliar vocabulary for targeted study. Track progress by timing yourself and gradually increasing difficulty of practice materials. Rotate sources between academic talks and casual conversations to adapt to different speeds and accents for better real-world performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.